I'm recording the intro after the video is over because I'm a genius. I'm gonna stand where the light is. So, you're not gonna believe what happened this time. And if you notice, this ain't the usual camera I use. What the heck? Camera! This is like the cheapest way to street photography I've ever seen. See, they'd never believe us if we didn't get it on film.
I know, right? That was fun. I've never done that.
Well, when you shoot with me, random stuff happens.
Oh, yeah.
You'll never believe what happened this time. Funny story. Let's get into it. They're not gonna hold the door. Oh, the door holding space for us. Hey. I'm wet.
Filming the whole time?
No, I just started like 30 seconds ago.
Oh, sweet, man. I just unbuckled everything.
Oh, that's fair.
I just slammed the coffee.
Was it good?
I got another one. Before I got here again, man.
Oh, nice.
Sorry, you got so wet.
Oh, it's all good, dude. You were like, yeah, I'm at the post office. And I was like, okay, I'm there. And you're like, yeah, I'm not there. And I was like, oh, neat. It's all good, dude. Cool.
35 and 140?
35 1.4.
Oh, 1.4.
Yeah, 1.4.
Nice. I got an 85 1.4.
Classic, dude. We're two sides of the same
Sigma,
spectrum,
yeah.
man. Sigma?
Yep.
Sigma.
Nice, dude.
Yeah.
Panasonic S5 system.
Very
That's
nice. Oh, it's leading up now.
Yeah, it is.
Now let's get into it.
What's going on here?
Are my settings correct? Oh, what the heck? Everything's on automatic. I forgot. I forgot I have all these settings set because I was giving to my students. None of it's manual. That's better. I didn't even think about it. Oh, well. Cool. That's so much worse. There we go. 1.4 it is. It's dark now. Who likes the top of that building? Sure. Ooh, strangers. Hello, strangers. I'm strange. No. I kind of like that. Oh, with the light. Umbrella.
Oh, nice.
Give me this man! Give me this man! Look at this man! Yes, I picked the right with the bus. Thank you for having an umbrella. You've done your country proud. Love to see it. I'm so good at my job. Umbrella lady. She's too far. Unless I stand right here and she crosses the street in the perfect spot. Where is she? She's got to be there. There, now! Yes, I did it. Boosh. Is that a bike? I get so excited about everything. Is that an umbrella? Is that a bike? Is that a person on a bike with an umbrella? No. I get so excited. The lights have command. Crop in with that. Can I get the bus driver? I couldn't get the bus driver. Oh, dude, if I walk fast enough, I can get this old guy. Oh. Oh. I think that's my favorite photo.
Really?
Legit?
Yeah, mine didn't.
Dude.
Great. That's nice.
Dude, I even got the raindrops.
That's nice, dude.
Oh, I love that so much. The library.
Oh, nice. Look at all that light.
Mmm.
Wait.
How did I get to 6? What? When did my... What? Huh?
We going?
Yes. If the car will let us.
Let's go up.
My camera left manual and decided to go do anything else.
Oh, really?
And it won't change.
Oh, shit. You should turn it off and turn it back on?
I just did. It's in portrait. I think it's like, yeah, it's in portrait priority mode now. So it's only changing my ISO, or I can only change my ISO.
So it changed out of manual?
Yeah.
Is it do that for a reason or what?
Nope. Probably just because it hates me.
Yeah, mine jumped into a weird like focus area. It changed my focus area and it like hung me up on that guy with the umbrella, so I missed the shot.
Yo. What the heck? Camera. This is so strange. Well, I guess I need a new camera.
Really? Is it still?
Oh yeah, it's not gonna work.
Well, maybe if it. How much battery you got?
Like half.
Battery?
Maybe. I'll use my
it-
backup camera.
You have a backup?
Yeah.
What?
Yeah.
What's your backup?
It's a crop sensor, so it's not going to do as well in low light. But I have a prime lens for it. I just haven't used it in literally forever. So, you know, I guess I'll see how it goes. It's a 24 millimeter, but with the crop sensor, it's basically a 35 anyway.
Yeah. Yeah.
So we'll see how it goes. We'll see how it goes. I don't know how this is going to turn out. I don't know if these photos are going to be okay. Have the same usual settings. 2.8. So it's not that bad.
Really?
It's not that bad.
No.
It's not that bad. It's just kind of dark, which is how I shoot anyway.
Right, and it's enough light now. Unnatural light down here to kind of get away with it.
Yeah. No, of course not. I totally got a photo over here. Yeah. I have to use my 70, my 70D with a 24 2.8. This is like the cheapest way to street photography I've ever seen. I'm not following this guy. I'm kind of following this guy. Oh, goodness. Sort of.
Hmm?
Sort of. You get the people just kind of waiting. There's a person with an umbrella all the way down there, but whew. So glad I brought this backup camera. I don't know why.
I
It's,
don't even have a backup camera yet. So I hope
Yeah.
this shit out. Oh, come
that's so dark.
on. Railroad reading line, that umbrella, that would be
Comment today on our proposed
This is so
plan for
funny.
Metro Transit. Go to metrotransit.org/network now before November.
This is such a nice.
I wanted to be on the train.
I find this extremely funny.
Yeah, this is great.
Haven't shot with this thing in like 10 years. Let's see, if they keep walking down the same place and I stand right here. I only have time to get like one shot. It's like shooting digital film. This is insane. Dude, this is like shooting film.
Shooting film?
Yeah, dude. It shoots like shooting film. This thing shoots like shooting film. That's hilarious. Because like each click, it's like... And I'm like, you're faster than that.
Right.
I know you are. My shutter speed says so.
Walk right under.
Dude. Oh.
Oh gosh.
Or did she?
There's another person in the background. Oh, that's kind of cool.
I'm gonna get closer. Ah! Missed it. Yeah, dude, this thing shoots like shooting film. It's not fast.
At all, huh?
Nah. If this thing was next to Lightning McQueen, oh. Let me get this. The shots look sharp though.
Oh, you see that guy, Pictures by Sash?
I don't
He
remember.
does a lot of bicycles in the dark, always at night. And he gets these close-ups, these tight focus on the bicycle with like background blur and city lights. But his edit's pretty slick, and I'm like,
Ooh.
my goal is, I have a picture I took the other night
Yeah.
that I'm gonna call him out with.
Do it.
I'm gonna be like, yeah, this was inspired by this guy.
It was inspired by him. You, guy, you've inspired me. Oh, look at that. The ceiling's leaking. Neat trick. I wonder if I can capture this. Oh, I just missed the best shot ever by messing up. This person with an umbrella crossing the street. I didn't even check if it was in focus. It's not. Ah. Now give me the money. Run, humans. Run, pedestrians. Skadoosh. Biker, will you test fate? No, didn't think so. Because you smell like coward. I'm weird. I'm loving these. I'm loving this lens. I'm loving this camera. I'm loving this whole thing. It's like just dark enough to work. This rain is atrocious. What? Come on, guy, cross the street. Yes! We did it. We got him. I fear that my battery will soon die.
You bring an extra?
I brought 3 extras. They're all dead. Yeah, I know. On my last legs, I'm like, please. Let's see, I'm gonna do this before they kick me out. Is that a car going the wrong direction? Again? Wait. I escaped. Anyways. Ooh, actually, I'm gonna stand right here and get this. Extend my arms, long arm style. Very nice. Huh? Is that what this is? It's a Halloween thing.
Oh, makes sense.
There's no...
Sorry, it's Halloween, we're fine. I don't know where to go. I don't know the name. Cowboy Jacks.
Oh, you're going to Cowboy Jack's?
Yes, which way?
Bro, it's this way. We're going that way. Yeah.
Alright.
Yeah, we're going that way. I know how that sounds.
Well,
We're
yes,
actually
nobody has a
walking.
camera on this
Okay,
side.
yes. I get how this looks.
No,
it looks
looked a
bad.
lot of ways, but at least you have that.
I do. Therefore,
Do you
there
have
are.
a good camera?
I mean,
Can
I.
you
d-
take cool pictures of us?
If you're okay with
We're
that.
so down.
Okay.
What can we do?
I
Do you
mean,
have poses?
of course.
Dude, okay, do you guys want to take pictures with us? Please?
It looked like you're going to a party.
Wouldn't it be fun?
I know. I mean, if they're
would
down
be
for
fun.
it, I only they could imagine that.
If they're married, I don't know.
Oh, true. Then their wives will see it and they will find us.
Twice divorced, so I could have been in the picture.
We lost a good opportunity.
That's okay.
Yeah, you got any
Actually,
cool spots from between here and there?
yeah. Actually, the next skyway looks really nice.
Fun down here?
Oh, it's
Okay.
even nicer down
Okay,
there that
well,
way.
What's your name?
Oh, yes.
Maddie and Cassidy.
Well,
Yes,
it's nice to
which
meet
is
you.
That's Cassidy.
mm, Fella knows. See, they'd never believe us if we didn't get it on film.
I know, right?
I don't know. What should we do?
Okay,
Yeah,
so
I'm not a portrait photographer.
I am. With this, yeah, best of luck for me.
I can tell you right now. You
Fellas,
have way more
prepped.
credentials than our iPhone. So what
Thank
do
you.
tell us?
Okay, I'm gonna do one and then the other and then both of you.
Okay.
So you first. So stand right there. And then 1 foot forward, left foot forward. There you go. Boom, power pose, hand on hip, boom. Like you's gonna suck somebody's soul out of their body.
So you want to hang out on this thing and just
Okay.
kind of, I don't know, give me some looks. Hey, do this? How you do this? I think I get way back.
There it is. And then looking up, just kind of like, whoo. You sure you're not models? What do you guys do? What?
What do you guys do? We work at Walmart.
You work at Walmart? Yeah, I'll need to
DC,
quit
we
your
work at
job.
DC, we lift boxes all day. We
warehouse
walk through the
workers.
aisles. We're warehouse workers.
Actually?
We're like the two only. Yeah, we're few of many.
Bro.
As women, but we're in there lifting the boxes.
Hey, mad props. You could definitely be like, yeah, I'm
Okay,
going to be a
now,
model now.
you
Oh,
do
yes.
it.
Your turn.
You do it. I'll do this one.
Yes.
Right? Did we? Do
Okay.
Actually, let's
Um,
put it on this side.
So right here, you just kind of like,
Okay.
Twist, twist.
How far out? I don't do this.
All right, so
okay, so like right there, just like that. Arms spread across the bar, just kind of like, and just kind of,
that way.
and then looking dead into the lens.
Like this?
Yes.
Sure you guys aren't one of those?
Yeah, right? Oh, man. See, funny thing, I don't. And then I want to get like one, again, right down the middle.
You'll send it to me.
So have your arms kind of like, just kind of like, bosh. Yeah, perfect, perfect.
So fun though.
Yeah.
Okay, can we do it right? You're great at this. No, me.
All right, come on.
Okay.
And then just looking up a little bit, just kind of like, but don't burn your retinas. Nice.
Thank you.
Yes. And then if we could get the both of you.
Yeah, of course. It's a necessity.
Of course, because bestie status.
Damn it!
Yeah, right? Oh my gosh. Still killing it.
Let's do it.
Oh yeah.
I'm not a portrait photographer. Also him. Also him.
Looked me up and I was like, wait a minute.
Yeah, right? Like, oh
What
man.
do I do?
Oh, dude, just bestie stat. Like, just holding each other. Enjoying each other's company.
Gorgeous. Oh, let me get these settings right.
Let's see. Oh, yeah. These are legendary stuff.
You guys love it.
Okay. Okay. We
Okay.
have to be done. We gotta
Yeah,
get
yeah,
there.
yeah. Okay, let's go.
That was fun. I've never done that.
Well, when you shoot with me, random stuff happens.
I'm sorry. Is it your first time shooting?
It's his
No,
first
I've
time
never
shooting
done
with me.
Street portraits. Like, ask someone on the street to, like, pose for
Oh,
portraits.
you didn't have
Well, they asked us.
Yeah.
Yeah, she's like, anything I found out. And I was like, well,
Actually, I asked you for directions. Notice the cameras.
He's like-
I answered all my own questions and decided you were photographers, and now here we are. Which is what I normally do.
oh, that works.
Are we still going?
Yep, it's right over that way.
You
I think it's faster to go down these stairs, actually.
probably.
Yeah, so if we go down these stairs,
And walk the other way.
yeah. Yeah, it's a good thing you ran into me. Because I know everywhere.
Why is my camera weird?
Because it hates us.
Oh my god, it went into auto mode. What the hell?
Because it hates
That was fun.
us.
Should we do it one more time?
Sure.
Yeah, we're gonna take my makeup off.
Oh yeah.
Okay. We gotta go up. Oh, you can do it up. I don't know up.
Autofocus, save the day. No shame is real. No shame is real. Well, don't fall.
Okay. Well,
We got him. I have faith in me.
So thank you
Of course.
for entertaining me.
That's what we're here for. Entertainment.
Absolutely.
That's why we have a YouTube channel.
Do you?
Yeah.
Oh, fine.
Is it cool if we use this?
Yes.
Why, thank you.
Yeah, because this is gonna be on like a blog on YouTube.
The whole thing.
Not
is
the
gonna
whole-
be-
Well, not maybe. Well, we're gonna chop it up.
Chop it up. It's just the
Can
good
you
bit.
have it be like the intro? Like, oh, look at what we were gonna do tonight.
Oh yeah.
Hey, you'll never believe what happened this time.
Yeah. I hope there's more sustenance
Of
to
course,
this post.
we will. So you having fun, Ben? Dude, this is why I have a YouTube channel, because nobody believes this stuff happens.
I know, and if I didn't bring the GoPro, I'd have been mad. But
Yep. All right. Well, we have to go this way anyway.
Thank you, guys.
Absolutely.
You're welcome. Have fun tonight.
We're walking at a green light.
Safe travels back to Mankato.
Yes, it was a pleasure meeting you both.
Or just message us.
We will.
We will.
You can use those videos.
Right on.
Thank you. We have confirmation that we can use this.
Nice.
Sweet. Oh. Oh, why is life unfair? It's all good. No, you guys made it so good. We're sad we missed it. Just the umbrella, just. No, it's fine. It's fine. I appreciate it though.
No, it's okay.
It's a moment's gone. Yeah, it is.
Thank you guys. Have a good night.
Joke's on you, fellas. I got the shot anyway. Because it hates us. I couldn't focus fast enough. How did he get over there so fast? Yeah, right? That was a perfect shot.
They were like great.
They were right, and then he hit them with the whoop, boosh. Like, come on. If I had my freaking, not this.
Yeah.
I'm buying a new camera.
I start like pushing all the buttons.
Yup.
Way big enough.
I'm saving up for a new camera. I've decided. Oh, can I get this? Can I get this whole scene? If I take a step back.
Were you shooting?
Just this whole thing. Sweet. Did you get the umbrella? No. Dude, please. Please. For me. Do it for me. Bro, she's gotta know. street photography, being weird, and getting awesome likes for it. I think we're doing great.
Dude, I might have got a good one.
What?
Okay. It's a little too close to get. But I was using her looking at me.
She's not looking at anybody.
No, she's not looking at any. She's good.
Yeah,
Done
she's
this before.
she's done right. I was like, she's gotta know. She's gotta know. There's no way she doesn't know.
Back to where we started.
We are now back to where we started.
Yeah. See, now I'm just like warmed up. Now I want to go from the.
Now you're warmed up. You're wild, dude. Cool. We did it. That was awesome. I love it. I love it.
That was great.
This first time we shot together,
Yep.
not the last time.
Nope. Definitely not. And first time in the rain for me.
great.
This was better than like daytime shooting in the sun.
Dude, yeah, this was a great time. I definitely. This is like the first time it's rained all month. Thank God.
Right? Yeah. Now we gotta go back and edit some bangers.
Oh, for sure. I'm loving these. I already love them.
Me too.
Wow. Until next time, do the liking, do the subs, and leave good comments. Leave nice comments because I've only had one. I need more.
Yeah.
Yes, nice things.
I don't think I have any.
We need more nice things.
We need more nice things.
Okay.
Comment.
Peace out.
Peace.